Hi, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the real-time translator function or the extension. So I already installed this extension. You can see here. So how to use this extension, I'm gonna guide you in this video. So when you install this extension, you can click on this icon, or maybe you can pin this and you can click over here, and this will allow you to enable the translation for this tab, or you can just select any language or any target language. Okay, so I will select this language, or I will select this to language. Okay, then translation is disabled. I will just click over here and now translation is enabled. But I can only use this translation in this specific tab. So in order to use in another tab, what I need to do, I just need to install or maybe load some any other website. So I just loaded the ChatGPT here. So now I will click on this extension because this is disabled for this tab. So first of all, I will click on enable, and now I will select auto detect because it can detect the auto language, and I can select any language. So if I want to translate in Japanese, I will click over here, and now it will translate this language, whatever I will type here, to the Japanese. So let's test this out. Okay, now I just loaded my ChatGPT here. Now I will type something. So now it's translating and you got the result. So I can just click on use translation and this is translated. Now I can just click on send button and this will send our updated message. Now not only this, I can type multiple characters here. I mean, there's no limit on specific characters. So I just pasted it here and now you will see the result. I will just click on tab and this is replaced with our text box. Not only this, if I can maybe type maybe like this. Okay, so this is bit lengthy text. So if I just replace it here, so it will instantly translate it and we will get the result here. So this is how it works. So even if you cut any text, it will automatically update and it will tell you that it needs to be at least 4 to 5 characters or more. So let's type a long text here. Now it's translating and there you go. You can just click on tab and it will automatically translate it. So there is no need to select any text, right click or then translate because this can automatically translate directly in your chat boxes. Okay, so this is how I use this in ChatGPT. You can try it on any website. So let's do it in a search box here. So I will click over here. I will click on real-time translator, or I will click on enable button. And now this time I will translate it to German. Okay, so let's save it here. It's translating. And now let's wait for the result. And here you go. This is in the German. I click on use translation and now it will search in the German. So this is how it works. So let's try any other thing. Okay, now I type this. So let's see, if you want to type more, you can just cross it and you can press or maybe type more characters. Now it will translate and there you go. You can just click on, you can press tab key or you can just click on use translation here and it will automatically replace. But if you still want to type more, you can just type your characters where you left off. Okay, like this. So now it will automatically translate on your new translation. So this is how it works. I hope you enjoyed this extension, and if you want to use this, just go to my Chrome web store and just install this extension and you will get unlimited benefits. There's no limits, there's nothing. Even if I can show you some benefits, you can obviously have good user experience on all of the websites that you are using right now. Okay, so the first benefit you can enable or disable this for any website. You can just click on this toggle button here, and you can enable or disable for any type of tab. First, for example, if you want to use this on ChatGPT, you can enable this for ChatGPT, and rest of the websites it will be disabled automatically until you enable this. Okay, you can also save any from language or any to language, and this will automatically work whenever you will close the browser and will restart the computer. It will automatically save there. And next benefit, you can use this on any website. For example, I tried this on Telegram. It worked fine. You can see I type a long uh, text here, and it automatically translated that. Okay, it will work on any type of text box, on any type of input box, on any type of search box. You can try it on any website. Okay, there are multiple languages. It supports multiple languages like English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Russian, Chinese, and lot of many other languages. Okay, you can also translate text as you type. So you will start typing, and it will automatically replace, or it will automatically suggest you to replace the text as you type. Okay, so there's no need to select the text and right click and then click on translate button, because it will automatically translate your text in your required language as you type. Okay, also whenever you will paste the text or you delete the text, it will automatically update the translation. Okay, so there is no need to select the text and then right click. So that is the most good benefit of this. Okay, and after that you can translate the text as you type. There's no limit on text translation. Okay, so I type a lot of characters here. Okay, a lot of text here. There is no error, nothing limit error, or there is no type of limit error. Okay, you can see it translated the text and it's showing you the use translation tab, and whenever you will click over it, it will automatically decrease the text. Also, I tried it on Google search engine because this was a search box, and most of the users need to search in different language. They can just enable this extension and they can search in their desired language. Also, I tried in freelancing websites. I tried it on Freelancer because I work on Freelancer. So I just tried it here because this is the messaging platform. There's a messaging platform on this website. So I just type this text, it automatically translated, and now I can chat with my client in the desired language. So all of these are the benefits of using this extension. You can just install this and you can have unlimited benefits of this extension. So I hope you enjoy this extension, and if you want to install this, you can just go to the Chrome Web Store and you can install this extension. Have a good day. Thank you.